Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you are already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, welcome. What are you doing? Subscribe. I make cool braid videos, okay? This is not a braid video though. This is an unboxing of something that I've been wanting to get for a while now. Last year I got my MacBook, and that was something that I've really been wanting for a long time. And I got it. Such a blessing. And this year, this was another thing that I wanted to knock off my goals list, and I got it. So let's get right into it. I'm going to be unboxing the Canon G7 Mark III Power Shot. I'll be unboxing the Joby Gorillapod, and I don't really need to unbox this SanDisk, but this is a disc that you're going to need whenever you purchase a digital camera or a DSLR camera. These are usually the type of discs you'll need. So I just picked one up when I placed this order. Thanks for watching through that long intro if you made it that far, okay? So let's get right into it. So this is the Power Shot. Let me give you guys a better angle. So here we've got the Canon Power Shot G7X Mark III. We've got the Joby Gorillapod. I've seen and heard a lot about this, so it was perfect for what I need. So let's get right into it. So we're gonna just unbox this. Oh, and I ordered it off of Best Buy. Literally, it was the same price point, Best Buy and Amazon. So when you unbox it, it comes with all your manual, all of that stuff. Okay, we've got a battery, we've got a wristlet, we've got a charger. This is a charger. This is okay, it'll be charged into there. Oh, oh my gosh. Wow. All right, so here we are. This is the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. It has Wi-Fi capability, which I wanted. It also has got an HDMI little port here. This is where your wristlet goes. It's very lightweight. I mean, okay, it has a mic jack, but it has all your essential functions, manual, automatic. It has your on off, it has your record button. Okay, so let's see here. This is where your battery goes into. Let me show y'all. So you have to, this is how you unlock it. Hook that little thing up, pops open. Get your battery. Your battery is gonna tell you the direction that it goes. Slide it in there. I'm gonna put it right here. It clicks in. That little orange thing holds it in place, this little orange thing. And then right here is the slot where your SD card goes. So let me open that. All right, so here's your SD card. Comes in this little carrying case. Take it out. It says, so inside of the camera, it has a little, picture right here. It tells you like what way to insert the disc. So I'm gonna follow those directions. And you want to, this is the disc. Push it all the way down. Oh my God, y'all, my nail is about to break. Okay. Close it, lock it. Let's turn this bad boy on. Oh, okay.
This sounds like a game.
All right, so this is what it looks like. The screen flips open, so you could look at yourself when you're filming, or you just place it back so you can point and shoot and do what you gotta do. Long ways. I like. It has a flash. Okay, you push this button down on the side. Has a little thunderbolt. Push it down, flash pops up. That's nice. So right, I'm gonna just close it back. We don't need flash. So it's asking me the time and stuff, but oh, it's touchscreen too. Thank you, Lord. So the Sony was not touchscreen. It wasn't. And where are we? Los Angeles. Wow, this is so much better. Whatever, I'm just gonna hit okay. We're in Los Angeles. We're in, today is, what's today? Let me set this, y'all. Okay, it does have a dial right here, so I could have just used the dial. It's March. What's today, the 20th? 21st, Jai? 20. Yeah. Today's 21st?
Yeah, because my episode came out.
Okay, it's not 2019, it's 2021. All right, great. Perfect. Oh, look at that. So you can see it has a little bit of a tracker. It says to apply effects, press the Creative Assist button. Okay. And then when you shoot in RAW or C-RAW format, you can apply effects after shooting. So that's something that's important to note. So on my Sony, what was happening is it wasn't shooting in both formats. It was shooting in like just one format, and I wasn't able to pull it up, and it was literally only giving me the CR2 image, but it wasn't giving me the other one, the JPEG. It was a problem. Anyway, so let's hit okay. You get your little battery icon here. I'm gonna film some, and I'll let you guys know what I think. Okay, be right back. I wasn't even recording.
You weren't recording?
I wasn't even recording.
This whole time?
I wasn't recording the little camera thing that I just did. Oh. Well, I'm recording now on the Canon. Here's the iPhone. Here's the Canon. Hello, iPhone 12 Pro. Here's the Canon. Okay, so we have, this is me, and this is natural light by my window. So, looks good. It's on autofocus right now, so it's basically tracking my face. It's tracking, face tracking. Which, that's what I need for me. It does have a zoom in. So let's zoom in. How do I? Oh, there we go. Okay. So got, okay. Okay, y'all. Okay, y'all. If y'all wanted to see the mole on my nose, well, there it is. Okay. Pretty zoomed in. Lots of clarity from what I can see. I love that the background, that I'm not sure the correct terminology. I want to say the bokeh, but I like that it's blurry back there, so you can't tell that that's really my kitchen totally. Anyways, very much, that's good for it to be zoomed in that much. And don't worry about my hair, okay? Don't worry about my hair. So yeah, that's I don't have any problems. This is literally it. So let me put the little, what is it called? Let me put the Gorillapod on there. You have to press this red button in the back to stop recording. How cool. Alright guys, so I really like the camera. I like the camera. I mean, I have to figure out everything, but I really, like I said, I just wanted a camera that was like point and shoot. Okay, it's pretty basic. But this is a Joby Gorillapod. It can hold objects like a sound mic, your musical devices like iPod. I don't know if anybody has those. Digital cameras. This looks like an external flash. It's very flexible. They have rubber around each of the flexible legs, and on here it just shows you different things that it could do, which is what I wanted. So you just screw this. I'll show you guys. You just screw it into the camera. So here is the camera. Here's the Joby Pod. And we're just gonna screw this in. Okay. So that's cool. Very secure. Hello. Hello. Okay, let me record. Hello, so this is on the Joby Pod. It creates a little bit of stability, so that's really good when you're vlogging, just so that way you're not like shaking the camera everywhere, making people sick when they're watching your videos. It gives you a little bit of distance too. So y'all have probably seen what I'm doing right here on the camera on the iPhone. Looks good. You see I'm holding it literally by one of its legs. I don't know what y'all just saw, but mind your business. So yeah, it looks good, guys. So I'm gonna put this right here. I'm going to close out this video. Let's do that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I ended up purchasing the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III from Best Buy for $728. That's how much the camera cost. It was literally the same price everywhere. I saw a couple places on Amazon that had deals, like if you get a bundle, but I didn't really need all that stuff. I just needed the tripod, the camera, the SD card, and the battery. That's it. I didn't need all the extra stuff. I already have mics and all that. So I believe it's worth it for the price. Like, I'm gonna pull this footage up on, I'm gonna pull this footage up. Okay, it died. My battery died on the camera, which is fine. But I'm gonna pull up the footage from this Canon. I'll upload it into this video so y'all could see. But I love that this is touchscreen. The Sony was not touchscreen, but obviously it was an older model, so it's not gonna have all of the same features. But I love that this is touchscreen. I love that the quality is basically close to what I have on my other cameras. And I have a Mark V. No, we have an 80D. We have an 80D, Canon 80D. That's what we have. Anyways, so yeah, some things to note about this camera, and I'm just going to read off the box and kind of remember what so some things to note about this camera is that it has 4K capability. I will not be vlogging in 4K capability. I just need it for regular 1080 HP vlogging. It does give you RAW and JPEG files, which is huge if you are going to use this camera for your social media. So if you wanted to use it for business purposes, which I will be using it for business purposes as well, to do business vlogs for my reels, so it could be of better quality. It's Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capable, so whatever you shoot on here, you probably just have to purchase a USB and you'll be able to transfer the files. You don't have to purchase a USB. You just transfer the files directly from the camera to your cell phone with Bluetooth Wi-Fi capability, which is awesome. So if you do take pictures with your friends or whatever you're doing, or for your business or for your Instagram or whatever, you can immediately transfer that photo of that cute outfit to your phone from here. It says that it's a 20.1 megapixels. I don't know what that means. There is the f-stop is 1.8 to 2.8 lens. That means it's going to give you that blurred background. It has an LCD screen, which I guess that's what this is. And the digital camera, that's all I got. That's all the details that I got on this camera, but I like it. Oh, it does. And I think I told you guys it has HDMI. It has flash, it has a mic, an external mic jack, so that we can put in your stuff. Yeah, so I'll be learning this camera as I use it, but I wanted to just unbox it on here so y'all could, you know, if you were looking for a camera